Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see whether a duplicate replacement Samsung TV remote will work properly with the Samsung Smart TV. This is the original Samsung Smart TV remote which we got with the TV, and this is the replacement or duplicate Samsung Smart TV remote. We will see whether this one will work properly with our TV. So let's check it out. I got this one from the Amazon website. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out later after watching this video if you're interested. Duplicate remote looks almost the same as the original one. We don't have the OTT apps, but I have seen other models having them, but they didn't have good reviews online, so I didn't buy that one. Both of them are powered by two AAA batteries. I'll remove the batteries from the original remote and keep it on this new one to see if it works on our TV. Now to connect the remote to a Samsung Smart TV, all we have to do is we have to press the back or return button and this play pause button at the same time for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's all, it's connected now. Now let's check if all the available buttons on this remote are working properly. I'll start with this one, middle OK button. Working. Down, side, up. Okay, working. Okay. Pause button, play button. Okay. Volume increase, volume decrease. Okay. Home button is working. We can change the channel using this channel button. Okay.
दिल्ली के कई इलाकों में पानी की लाइन बिछाई है। हालांकि कई जगहों पर स्थायी तौर पर टैंकर से पानी भेजा जाता है।
I think almost all the buttons are working properly. I have no issues with this one. This is a decent replacement remote for a Samsung Smart TV, but this is not the original one. This is the original one. I would suggest you to get the original one if possible. I also ordered the official Samsung solar cell remote. I'll get it within a week. I'll share my full review about that as well. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly let us know in the comment section if you have any questions or thoughts. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.